Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon everyone. So for this part of the lesson, we're going to learn about the preparations of amine. So in order to prepare amine, there are several ways. So we can either use the reduction of the nitro compound, or we can use reduction of amide or reduction of nitrite, and also by using Hofmann degradation. Okay, so we're going to start with the reduction of the nitro compound. So this method or this reaction is the method that widely used in order to prepare aromatic amine from a nitrobenzene. Okay, so maknanya kalau kita ada benzene, dia undergo nitration, dia akan produce nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene ini we can further reduce to produce aniline. So bermaksud awak just convert NO2 itu awak just convert kepada NH2. However, the reducing agent for the reduction of nitro compound is quite different from the reducing agent that we have learned from previous lesson. Okay, for the reduction of nitro compound, so the reducing agent that you can use either hydrogen gas with the presence of the metal catalyst such as palladium, nickel or platinum, ataupun awak boleh gunakan ferrum in hydrochloric acid or tin in hydrochloric acid sebagai awak punya reducing agent. So to draw the product is easy. You just convert the nitro itu kepada NH2 sahaja. Okay, this is the first method to produce aromatic amine. Okay, so the second method that we can use to produce primary amine is by using reduction of the nitrile compound. So nitrile compound is anything that has C triple bond N, ataupun we often write it as CN. Okay, so this is the reaction that normally used to convert haloalkane to a primary amine with one extra carbon. So contohnya kalau saya ada haloalkane RCl, they undergo SN2 reaction with a CN minus. Okay, dia akan undergo SN2 reaction dengan CN minus. Kita akan produce nitrile compound. So nitrile compound yang kita produce daripada haloalkane ini, kita boleh reduce dia to form a primary amine. Tapi dengan syarat the number of carbon on the amine is one extra from the number of carbon dalam haloalkane. So contoh dalam haloalkane awak ada 5 carbon. Nanti kalau awak menggunakan this kind of reaction, amine awak akan ada 6 carbon. Okay, so the reducing agent that we use is either hydrogen gas with metal catalyst, or you can also use lithium aluminum hydride followed by the addition of water, or you can use sodium borohydrate in methanol. Okay, so in order to draw the product is easy. You just convert C triple bond N itu ataupun CN itu, awak convert dia kepada CH2 and H2 sahaja. That mean awak akan add 2 hydrogen on the carbon and another 2 hydrogen on the nitrogen. Okay, let's take a look at this example. Okay, so remember that we only need to convert the CN. So yang lain itu awak salin balik. So CH3, CH2, CH2. CN dia akan jadi CH2 NH and H2. Same goes with this. So we just need to convert the CN. Yang lain itu awak copy balik 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now the C triple bond N will turn into CH2 and H2. Okay, so yang ini pun sama. Awak just convert je CN itu kepada CH2 and H2. So yang cyclohexane itu awak copy balik. So dia akan jadi CH2 and H2. So this is method that we often use to produce a primary amine. Okay, another method that we can use to produce either primary, secondary ataupun tertiary amine is from the reduction of amide. So reduction of amide, you can only use lithium aluminum hydride followed by water sahaja, because the other reducing agent is not strong enough to reduce the amide to the amine. Okay, so kalau awak guna primary amide, bermaksud amide yang ada one alkyl group, awak akan produce primary amine. Secondary amide, that mean amide itu ada 2R group, so awak akan produce secondary amine. Kalau awak tertiary amide, awak reduce, awak akan produce tertiary amine. So nak draw the product dia senang saja. Apa yang awak kena buat adalah you just need to convert the C double bond O itu kepada CH2 sahaja. Convert C double bond O to CH2. Sama dengan tertiary amide. Just convert the C double bond O into CH2. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. So yang ini kita ada primary amide. So remember that primary amide will produce primary amine. So how to draw the product? You just need to convert the C double bond O itu, awak convert dia kepada CH2. So it's going to be CH3, CH2, CH2, and H2. So kita akan produce primary amine. Okay, this one is tertiary amide. Sebab apa kita ada 1, 2, 3. So produk dia masih sama. Convert the C double bond O into CH2. So 1, 2, okay, CH2 and CH3, CH3. Okay, sama juga yang ini. So C double bond O itu awak convert dia kepada CH2. So CH2 and H. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, so another method. Okay, this is the last method. So this method is specifically to produce a primary amine. Okay, we can use Hoffman degradation ataupun Hoffman rearrangement. Okay, dengan syarat awak kena guna primary amide. Dan lagi satu syarat dia adalah nitrogen of the amide itu mesti tak bonded dengan apa-apa alkyl group. Okay, maknanya dia mesti ada NH2, maknanya dia mesti primary amide. So kalau primary amide awak reactkan dengan Hoffman reagent, selalunya Hoffman reagent ini adalah a mixture of halogen. So you can use either bromine ataupun chlorine with aqueous NaOH. So kita akan produce amine. So untuk Hoffman degradation ataupun Hoffman rearrangement ini is normally a method that we use to produce a primary amine with one less carbon atom from the amide. So contohnya kalau amide awak tu ada 3 carbon, primary amine awak itu akan jadi 2 carbon saja sebab kita cut down 1 carbon atom. Okay, so in order to draw the product, what you need to do is awak remove sahaja C double bond O tu, awak remove sahaja and then awak cantumkan R group dengan NH2 tu. Awak remove C double bond O and then awak cantumkan dengan R group dengan NH2, awak combinekan. And then dia akan hasilkan side product. Kalau awak guna bromine, side product awak lah sodium bromide. Kalau awak guna chlorine, side product awak adalah sodium chloride, sodium carbonate and also water. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. Okay, so kalau Hoffman degradation, first dia mesti hanya adalah daripada primary amide. Dan lagi satu awak kena ingat, amine awak itu mesti ada one less carbon atom. So how to draw the product? Kita just cut down je C double bond O ni. So yang lain saya balik. So cyclohexane, okay, CH2. Okay, since kita dah cut down satu carbon, so apa yang awak kena buat adalah awak kena combinekan R group tu dengan NH2 tu. So ini R group yang tadi yang saya label pink tu. Okay, and then kita akan terus labelkan NH2. So this is a NH2. So kalau awak tengok kita dah cut down satu carbon. So since kita guna Cl, kita punya side product adalah sodium chloride plus sodium carbonate plus water molecule. Okay, plus water molecule. Okay, same goes with this example. Okay, so apa yang awak kena buat adalah, okay, kita salin balik. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so since ini adalah Hoffman degradation, kita kena cut down kita punya carbonyl ni. C double bond O ni kita kena cut down. So nanti produk dia adalah dia akan one less carbon atom. Okay, since kita guna bromine, so kita punya side product adalah sodium bromide plus sodium carbonate plus water molecule. So these are the 4 chemical reaction that you can use to produce amine. Okay, I think that's all for today and then you can proceed with the tutorial question. Thank you.